Borada Eshamai. Hello and good morning. Welcome to Day 5 of Ballet Cymru's online tutorials. My name is Joe and today I'm going to be showing you how to do Ronds at the bar. Please make sure that before taking part in any of the online tutorials that you read the safety disclaimer provided on all social media platforms and the Ballet Cymru website. It's really important that before starting the online tutorials that you make sure that you have enough space surrounding you so you're not going to bump into any furniture or any pets. Please make sure that you have sufficient footwear, ballet shoes, socks or bare feet would be suitable. And please make sure that you're sufficiently warm before taking part in any of the online activities. You could do a warm-up featuring some of the previous day's videos, or doing jogging or star jumps, just anything to get the heart rate going and ready for dancing. So before we begin, if you could place one of your hands on the bar, you could use a chair or a kitchen surface. I'm using my crutch. So this exercise can be done in first, third or fifth. I'm going to show you how to do it in fifth, but you can choose depending how you feel. So the exercise is going to begin with a fondu and stretch, and a fondu and stretch, fondu, stretch, hold it in a la seconde, and then we're going to do 4 slow ronds de jambes, and then we're going to take it off the floor, a la seconde, derrière, and close, and then we're going to repeat it from the back. Fondu and stretch, fondu and stretch, fondu à la seconde, hold, then we're going to do 4 slow ronds de jambes again, 2, 3, 4, then we're going to take it off the floor, take it à la seconde, devant and close. That was version 1. I'm going to show you version 2 and you can choose which one you'd like to do. So version 2 is double fondu and stretch, double fondu and stretch, double fondu, stretch hold, and 2 slow ronds de jambes, and 3 quick ones. Then we take it off the floor, à la seconde, derrière, and close. Then repeat from the back. Double fondu and stretch, double fondu and stretch, double fondu, hold, 2 slow ronds de jambes, and 3 quick ones. Then we take it off the floor, second, devant, and close. Now I'm going to show each version with the music. And fondu, and stretch, and fondu, and stretch, and fondu, stretch, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. We're going to take it off the floor, and fondu, and stretch, and fondu, and stretch, fondu, stretch, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Take it off the floor, and double fondu and stretch, double fondu and stretch, double fondu and stretch, and 1, and 2, and 3 quick ones. Take it off the floor, à la seconde, derrière, and close. Double fondu, stretch, double fondu, stretch, double fondu, stretch, and 1, and 2, and 3 quick ones. Take it off the floor, à la seconde, devant, and I'm just going to tell you a few things to think about while you're doing a ronds de jambes. The first thing you want to think about is pulling as much as you can out of the waist, so you can free up the leg to move and you're able to do a rond de jambe properly. The second thing that you need to think about is straightening both legs and making sure they're fully stretched and your feet are nice and pointed. And then the third thing to think about is when you're doing the fondue section of the exercise, is making sure that you use a nice gooey and juicy plie and making sure that the knees are over the toes. Please make sure you do both sides. Thank you for tuning in to day 5 of the online tutorials for Ballet Cymru. I hope you've enjoyed dancing and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Please remember to send us lots of videos and photos to all the social media platforms and tag @Ballet Cymru. Bye for now.